In the hustle of everyday life, it's easy to feel lost, like a ship adrift without a compass. As we wake each day, the first thing we often do is check our phones, diving into a sea of information and comparison. This whirlwind pulls us away from what truly matters, obscuring our sense of purpose and direction. Yet what we desperately need is not more information, but clarity. Clarity blooms in the stillness, in moments of quiet reflection when we can hear our inner voice. It emerges when we pause and ask ourselves what we genuinely desire, beyond societal expectations. This self-inquiry is crucial because without clarity, we risk living someone else's narrative. Your journey is not a competition. Progress is not defined by speed but by direction. Each small step is a significant marker on your path to fulfillment. Even if it seems the world is rushing ahead, it's vital to remember that steady, deliberate movement yields growth, and learning itself is an invaluable gift. Moreover, your mindset plays a critical role. When negative thoughts infiltrate your mind, they weaken your spirit and hinder progress. Instead, nurture empowering affirmations, for your words shape your reality and set the tone for your experiences. Lastly, consider your circle. Surround yourself with supportive, growth-oriented individuals who uplift you. Life's beauty lies in simple moments, and as you cultivate consistency in your actions, every day becomes an opportunity for growth, leading you closer to a life you truly desire.